Today we will be installing a GFCI outlet here. Looks like the mouse tried to do it, but something went wrong. Got my spackle bucket to sit on. A little dirty. This is GFCI. Got your line coming in, your load going out. All right, so first things first, let's get this mouse out of here and then take this outlet out. Hey there. So unscrew this bitch. These are the hots right here. Neutrals. Grounds down here. Let's get all these hots out. So your two grounds, I'm gonna braid those together. Two neutrals, two hots. So with the GFI, you have your power source coming in, going to your line, which is down here. You can see line, and then the load is the power going out. So I'm assuming that the load is going over to that outlet over there. So now both of these will be protected because this is a GFCI. So let's get to hooking up this. Good thing about these, you don't gotta hook them. These metal plates pop out and then you could just feed the wire under there and then screw it and it will clamp down. So it's pretty easy, definitely a lot easier than just looping it on like these were. You can see all the loops. You see what I'm working with. Just fucking snip all these. Try to make them the same length. That was a little fucking short. God damn it. Okay. There we go. Let's get these fucking grounds tied up. Just fucking make a little braid like that. Get my linesman. Fucking give it a fucking good little fucking twist. If I could get on it. Be careful of it hitting your other wires. Okay, that should be good. Give that a little snip. There we go. Just fucking tighten that. There we go. Sweet. Just like that. Grounds are tied up. So now I just got to figure out which one is the power coming in and which one is the power going out to. Can't tell. Alright, so I'm guessing that wire is going to that outlet. And then I'm guessing that's the power coming in. These two wires here. So let's strip these and put them in. If you look, most receptacles will give you, where is it? Yeah, there we go. Look, that's a strip gauge right there. I don't know if you can see it. Boom. That's how much the wire should be stripped. So you can just go based off that. So let's do it. So with the cutters, go on an angle like this, snip, roll it back. It just pops off just like that. So, ooh, that shocked me. Same thing, boom, twist, pop, beautiful. All right, so let me hook this up. All right, so first, let's hook up the ground. So I'm just gonna loosen this. Sometimes they come loosened, sometimes they don't. That's loosened already. So as you can see, we're sliding the wire underneath that plate. So, like that. See, it's underneath. I don't know if you can see. Now we're just gonna tighten it. There we go, nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Next, let's hook up the hot. So I forget, yeah. This is line, so that's the power. And since the screw color is gold, that's always where your hots go. And then that's always where your neutrals go. So let's get this bitch hooked up. Sometimes you gotta fuck with the wires to get it to bend in your favor. Oh, let's loosen this. It's so annoying. The ground always comes loosened, but these don't. I wonder why. Make sure it's underneath that. Okay. Let's tighten that bitch up. Power in. Over on this side, same thing. This is the line. This is the power coming in. Let's get it underneath that plate, just like that. Hold it in place and just tighten it. Just like that. Make sure that shit's really tight. Last thing you want is a loose connection. That's how fires start. Okay. All right, I should have fucking stripped these first. I don't know what I was doing. Let's do that. Got no room to work with now. Boom, boom. God damn it. I don't even fucking look at the numbers anymore. I just feel out what I think is right. There we go. Now, let's put the cover on. There we go. Finished product. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that is how you install a GFCI.